One sunny afternoon, Jimmy the rabbit saw something exciting in the park. She tilted her head and wondered, what game is that? She picked up a racket and said, I want to try too. Jimmy swung the racket, but whoosh, she missed. She tried again and again, but it was not easy. Her friend said, don't give up, Jimmy. Practice makes you better. She practiced slowly and carefully. Tab! Jimmy finally hit the shuttlecock. Soon, Jimmy and her friend were playing together happily. She learned that new things take practice. Remember, friends, if you keep practicing, you will get better every day.